Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build a character in Canva. So if you guys didn't know, now you can create your own character for your design in Canva. So what you need to do is open the Canva on your computer or maybe phone, and then just on the left panel here, just find the option apps. Click on that and then scroll down until you find this character builder option. So just click on that apps and here click on open so you can build your own character. Okay, so in here you can just choose which one, each of the part of for the head, face, and also body. So for example, I want to create a character for, so I'm going to choose the head first. Okay, maybe I'm going to just add this one, and then here I'm going to choose the face. This face means facial expression. Okay, I'm going to add this one. Okay, you can see now the character is changing based on what I chose. And then here I'm going to change the body. Okay, I'm going to make the character dancing. Okay, like that. Now back again. Here you can also change the skin tone like this, and also the hair color. Okay, I'm going to just go with this, and when you finish just click on done, and that's it. Here the character will be created. Okay, I'm going to just, you can also move it around and edit the size like so. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.